Kingsmill. Welcome back. Sharing another update with you. We just zoomed out from our brand new Samsung. We got a couple 75-inch TVs, a couple 85-inch TVs. I believe there's 9 going throughout the property. They're getting them up the next day or two. Super impressive. 4 are going to go here in the weight room, and then 5 out on the cardio floor. They are huge. Can't describe how big they are, but super excited how it's going to look. Right now, we're going to take you back to the ladies' locker room, our private fitness studio, and then down the hallway to the family restrooms and the game room. All right, so we're back in the ladies' locker room. Once again, carpet down. Pretty cool landing area with the wash stations. Power sinks with the backlit mirrors. Super sharp. Ladies' restroom is done. Ladies' locker room benches are in. We get back into the showers, jacuzzi, steam room, sauna. Once again, just a couple pieces left with the sauna and the steam room, but for the most part, ready to roll. We're going to come through our ladies' locker room into the hallway. We painted the window trim. Used to be light brown. Now it's white, matching the hallway all the way down, but the paint on the window trim is new. And then new family restrooms. We have 2 new family restrooms. Used to have 1, so super excited about the addition there. But they are in there, rocking, they're ready to roll. Once again, cool little backlit mirror, shower station, restroom. Got 2 of those, and then we're going to take a quick walk down to the fitness center. The equipment is placed for the private studio. Pretty dang impressive. It's going to be an awesome space. A little bit of everything. Cardio, free weights machines, resistance. This is going to be a world-class area down here. Pretty dang cool. And one last step on the tour. We are bringing the game room back, so super excited about it. It's basically carpeted, lighted, ready to go. Certainly a little bit smaller since half the space now is expanded ladies' locker room, but we are going to bring some games back in here and keep the family arcade going. So super excited. Keep your eyes out. Dates are coming super soon. Promise you, we are rocking, ready to roll. Looking forward to getting you in the building and working up a sweat. Thanks, Kingsmill.